Okay, someone just asked, how can I create my own YouTube channel using my phone and start using it, uploading my videos? Okay, if you have a Gmail account on your phone, you already have a YouTube account. All you need to know is just to open it and then start uploading your videos on the channel. Okay, like here, this is a phone. Just open YouTube app. Okay, if there's no YouTube app, you can download it from Play Store, Google Play Store. Okay, so there's YouTube. So there's YouTube. Just open the YouTube. Can this place U? So that's you. Just tap it. The U. Tap it. So this is your YouTube account and YouTube channel. It's already there. So you have switch account. You can even switch accounts if you have more than one account. So it's already there and your Gmail is there. So when you have a Gmail account, you already have a YouTube account and the channel is already created. You can change the channel name if you want. I've done video on how to change the channel name. You can change the channel name and you can decide to retain this name. So to upload videos is very simple. I've done video on how to upload it, but you can upload video, any video at all. When you open your videos and these are your videos, you can share. When you click on it, you see share. You see share, you click YouTube. So it's already sharing the video. If you click continue, it will start sharing the video and the video will be uploaded to your YouTube channel. I hope you do enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.